Inflation for the month of February came in at 5.9% versus 6.4% recorded in the month of January. Going into the month of March, we expect inflation to see a steep downward correction as a result of the 22% electricity tariff reduction that will materialize from this month, as well as the base effect, as March 2023 had a higher base, which may lead to a relatively steeper reduction in terms of inflation during the month of March 2023. The 22% electricity tariff reduction comes in amidst Sri Lanka seeing very high levels of electricity consumption in the month of February. At present, we are seeing hydro generation only being about 20%, which will mean that Sri Lanka will consume more thermal power generation in the month of February and March. From a currency perspective, the currency appreciated to about 307 rupees to the dollar, with import demand remaining very weak. From an interest rate perspective, we saw the Treasury bill auction held today see an increase in terms of rates, where the 3-month Treasury bill rates increased by 10 basis points and the 12-month Treasury bill rates increased by 9 basis points. However, the weighted average lending rates or the borrowing rates fell by 8 basis points to 11.42% last week. From a debt restructuring perspective, the private creditors have been given a proposal from the government, and the government is expecting response from the private creditors in terms of the debt restructuring proposal to come in the next couple of weeks. If that happens through, we expect the external debt restructuring to be completed by the second quarter of 2024.